आज हम कुछ बेनिफिट्स पढ़ रहे हैं किस चीज़ के मतलब अश्वगंधा जो प्लांट है उसके मतलब। सबसे पहले तो इसका जो फ़ायदा है वो यह है कि स्ट्रेस रिलीफ एंड एंजाइटी रिडक्शन। अश्वगंधा इज एन adaptogen, meaning it helps the body manage stress. It is commonly used to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Second number, improving sleep. Ashwagandha is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia and improve sleep quality due to its calming effects. Boosting immunity. The plant is known for its immune boosting properties and is used to enhance the body's defense mechanism, enhancing cognitive function. Ashwagandha is believed to improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive abilities. It is used to support brain health and protect against cognitive decline, increasing strength and stamina. It is often used by athletes and those looking to improve physical performance. Ashwagandha is known to increase energy levels and enhance endurance. Balancing hormones and fertility. In women, ashwagandha may help balance hormones and reduce symptoms of menopause. In men, it is often used to improve fertility by increasing testosterone levels and sperm quality. Reducing inflammation. The plant has anti-inflammatory properties and is used in treating conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Supporting heart health. Ashwagandha is believed to lower cholesterol and triglyceride, supporting cardiovascular health. Managing blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that ashwagandha can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin sensitivity. Anti-aging and longevity. Due to its antioxidant properties, ashwagandha is often used to combat the effects of aging, promoting vitality and long longevity. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and teas. However, it's always best to consult healthcare provider, and it should be used according to the healthcare provider guidance.